uses them to manipulate others. The potential for misuse is enormous, from influencing decisions to altering perceptions. These are questions we need to answer before we go any further. We must establish ethical guidelines and robust safeguards. So while the future of AI-powered neural interfaces is promising, we need to tread carefully and address these ethical dilemmas head-on. Only then can we harness this technology for the greater good. Section 4. Today's AI pioneers shaping the neural landscape. The good news is that companies are already developing amazing AI-powered neural interfaces. For example, there's Neuralink, working on a device that could help people with paralysis-control computers and smartphones with their minds. Then there's Facebook, exploring ways to let us type just by thinking. These are just a couple of examples of the incredible work being done in this field. It's exciting to see how these companies are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Section 5. The road ahead, navigating the future of AI and the brain. Looking towards the future, the possibilities seem endless. With each passing day, we are witnessing groundbreaking advancements that were once only imaginable in science fiction. Imagine a world where we can download knowledge directly into our brains. This could revolutionize education, making learning faster and more efficient than ever before. Or communicate telepathically using neural interfaces. This could break down language barriers and bring people closer together, fostering a new era of global understanding. Sounds like science fiction, right? Yet these innovations are closer to reality than we might think, thanks to rapid advancements in AI and neuroscience. But it could become a reality. The integration of AI with brain-computer interfaces is paving the way for these incredible possibilities. However, we need to proceed with caution. As we push the boundaries of what's possible, we must also consider the ethical implications of these technologies. We need to establish clear ethical guidelines for the development and use of AI-powered neural interfaces. This will ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and for the benefit of all. We also need to ensure that these technologies are accessible to everyone, and not just a select few. Inclusivity is key to a fair and equitable future. The future of AI and the brain is full of potential, but it's up to us to shape it responsibly. By working together, we can create a future where technology enhances our lives in meaningful ways. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of AI and neuroscience.